Welcome to our video on productivity tips for Ramadan. In this guide, we'll explore practical strategies to help you stay focused, organized, and productive during this holy month. Let's dive into ways to make the most of your time and energy while observing Ramadan. Segment 1. Time Management. During Ramadan, effective time management is crucial to balancing spiritual practices and daily responsibilities. Here are some key tips from the sources. 1. Plan ahead. Creating a schedule that includes time for work, worship, rest, and family commitments helps in setting clear goals and priorities to ensure productive use of time. 2. Get enough rest. Adequate rest is essential to maintain energy levels throughout the day. Going to bed early and waking up early for suhoor and prayer can prevent fatigue and enhance focus. 3. Prioritize worship. While engaging in extra prayers, Quran recitation, and acts of charity, it's important to prioritize worship without neglecting other commitments. Finding a balance is key. 4. Make time for exercise. Despite the challenges, making exercise a priority during Ramadan is crucial for a healthy lifestyle. Working out during cooler times of the day can help maintain physical well-being. Segment 2. Multitasking and efficiency. 1. Prioritize tasks. It's crucial to prioritize tasks during Ramadan to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Creating a to-do list and ranking tasks based on importance can help individuals stay focused and productive. 2. Take advantage of productive days. There will be days when individuals have more energy and can accomplish more. It's important to recognize these days and push oneself to be productive during those times. 3. Commit to a routine. Establishing a regular routine during Ramadan can aid in staying focused, disciplined, and productive. A routine can also help reduce stress and fatigue during fasting hours. Segment 3. Energy Management. 1. Take power naps. Short power naps of around 30 minutes can boost energy levels, improve mood, increase patience, and help combat afternoon fatigue during Ramadan. 2. Divert focus away from hunger. Utilize the power of your mind to shift focus from hunger cravings to enjoyable activities like reading or listening to a podcast, helping maintain mental energy and positivity. By incorporating these productivity tips into your routine, you can optimize your time, energy, and focus during Ramadan, allowing you to achieve your goals and make the most of this spiritually enriching month.